here, this is the semi-auto chrome plating machine's working video. Let's check it's working. So the first tank is the chemical degreasing. Okay. Yeah. So this is the electric heater. Okay, going to the water rinse, and then going to the third is the electric degreasing. Click the up and down electric control on the crane. So because the water source is a little far away from the machine, so we just put some of the tank with water testing. You can track the copper plating, the air agitation working. Okay, this one. So we haven't make that level 4. So once the tank is full of the water, so the whole jigs will be dipping in the water or chemicals. Okay, let's go. Every piping connection area has the label's marking. Okay, goes next station. Nickel plating. Okay, open. Next stage going to the copper plating. Yeah.